Today I'm going to be making a simple but delicious merienda. Have you heard about Turon? But with a twist! Caramelized Turon! Hello everyone! Please watch this video till the very end so you will learn how to make your merienda whenever you feel hungry. Feeling hungry already? Let's get started! Let's make the turon. First, I'm gonna add banana, sprinkle wrapper. I'm gonna add I'm gonna sprinkle some brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna make this part of the wrapper go up, go under the banana. I have to make sure it's tight. And I'm gonna just fold this part. And then the same here. Then roll it over a little. Then add this flour paste, which is made of flour and water. Then this another one. Okay, so on the medium heated pan, I will pour the sugar. Then I'm gonna stir this for 10 minutes until it melts. The sugar is starting to melt. It's okay. I'm gonna add the butter. Then I'm going to stir it. Then I'm going to pour a little of cream. Then a little bit more. It's starting to get sticky. I think this is enough. I can see bubbles. It means that the oil is hot. Let us now put the turon. Now I will pour the caramel onto the turon. Now I'll add the sesame seed. This is our finished product. So guys, I want you to try and make this, and please comment down below on how was your experience. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye!